Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to take you on a journey through one of the most scenic drives in Dehradun, that is the road to Mountain Creek Resort. As we start our journey, we are immediately greeted by lush green trees and winding roads that lead us up into the mountains. The road is well paved and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside with rolling hills and sparkling steam at every turn. So let's start the journey and see the beautiful view.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'm
Fast food where we had momos, which is very delicious. So when you will come, you must also have or taste these momos. As we reach Mountain Creek, the scenic becomes even more stunning. The Mountain Creek is nestled at the foot of a picturesque mountains surrounded by towering trees. The resort offers a range of activities, hiking and water sport in the summer. If you are planning a stay at Mountain Creek, you will be treated to some of the most comfortable and luxurious accommodation in the area. From cozy cabins to spacious villas, there is something to suit every taste and budget. And that's our journey to Mountain Creek Resort. I hope you enjoyed the drive as much as I did. If you are ever in the area, I highly recommended checking it out. Thanks for watching and I'll